eco-marine engineering. Dynamic, driven, multidisciplined engineering consultancy with a passion and expertise in the maritime sector. Specialist in coastal, structural and mechanical engineering, we deliver high-quality marine projects. We pride ourselves on sustainable solutions to complex problems, regenerating, revitalising and restoring ports and harbours.
At EME, we have a comprehensive team with a variety of engineering disciplines, including 3 mechanical engineers, a civil engineer, and 2 coastal and civil engineers. Experiences from both industrial placements and university place EME in good stead with a comprehensive knowledge in many aspects of engineering, allowing us to tackle any task. Joseph Salaja, Construction Manager. Ayman Al-Shaikli, Project Manager. Owen Cree Smith, Quality Integrations Manager. Lewis Davey, Marine Leisure Development Manager. Joshua Sibley, Commercial Development Manager. Dean Gibbons, Coastal Defences Manager. With specialists in challenging marine problems, EME has taken on the redevelopment of Falmouth Harbour as its first project. Falmouth Harbour, situated in Cornwall, is the most westerly port in the UK. This location means it has potential from both commercial ship trade and the leisure industry such as cruise ships. Over the last decade, Falmouth Harbour has been in decline, and many of its facilities, such as the helipad, are overgrown and dilapidated. Due to this, it has lost trade for many of its businesses, such as the ship and super yacht repair companies. One of the biggest drawbacks from the cruise industry is the fact that large cruise vessels must tender in tourists due to a limited draft access to the port. As Falmouth Harbour has very few leisure facilities and a shortage of luxury marinas, Falmouth Harbour has much potential, but little of it is utilised. With Falmouth Harbour Commission as our client, EME aims to unlock the potential of this historic port. These reasons clearly show a demand for a redevelopment at the Port of Falmouth.
So what are we proposing for the redevelopment of Falmouth? The first major aspect of our vision is to incorporate a clear divide between the leisure and commercial use of the harbour. This will result in the western part of Falmouth Harbour being concerned with leisure facilities and the eastern side focusing on commercial activities. The leisure facility in the harbour will comprise of new restaurants, a cinema, pubs and shops to help introduce a new tourism aspect. Additionally, office space and a visitor centre will be included. Building upon the current leisure vessel berthing facilities, an increased capacity is being proposed. This will accommodate a further 1,000 vessels with a marina and automated dry stack. The remaining land on the west side of the harbour will host an array of luxury studio flats. These will be designed to have a prestigious aspect with a luxury view in a favourable location. Additionally, the leisure side of Falmouth will host a new cruise liner docking facility. This will be within convenient travel to the new shops and restaurants. The commercial side of the harbour will see a new renewable research and maintenance facility. This facility is designed to be a local area of significance and to be one of the major attractions in Falmouth. Building upon the current ship repair facility, it has been noted that the current harbour is losing trade of larger vessels. For this reason, this facility will be redeveloped and expanded to help accommodate larger ships. Similarly, the Super Yacht Centre has the same issues. Improvements to the ship repair facility will therefore be reflected to aid the harbour with larger vessels. Coinciding with these predicted larger vessels, the eastern breakwater will be upgraded, helping with the service deliverables such as refuelling and stock replenishment. The breakwater will also act as a new base asset for bunkering activities, which is currently a source of trade. The western arm will also be extended. This is to support the new facilities of the harbour. This includes greater cargo and port operations with larger vessels. Due to the planned development, it's perceived the current ammonium nitrate storage will be better utilised in a different position. Due to this, a radical solution involving underground storage is to be completed. Lean manufacturing principles will be introduced through the process of importing goods to the port. This will consider the vital transportation links and ultimately optimise the process for maximum harbour output. It has been identified that the improved port will require an improvement on car parking. The surrounding area's transportation links will be modified. This will include an upgraded heliport, improved public transport and light modifications to the surrounding traffic routes. Eco-marine engineering will be incorporating a sustainable approach throughout the harbour. This will include renewable energy devices around the site, including solar panels, wind turbines and eco-appliances. From the specification points mentioned, 2 are required to be taken to the detailed design stage. EME has formulated 5 options and the evaluation matrix shows the design criteria. The 5 design options are the development of the northern wharf, including the marina, a fully automated dry stack marina, the eastern breakwater, a renewable energy device, and the Marine Renewable Centre. The main criterion for the decision matrix includes mechanical and coastal engineering scope, innovation, groupability, academic relevance, and previous examples. 2 clear winners are the fully automated dry stack and the development of the Northern Wharf. The Northern Wharf will create improved docking for large cruise vessels whilst providing protection to the marina. This will encompass an addition to the current wharf with an extended sea wall parallel to the main quay. The fully automated dry stack marina will provide luxury storage for small leisure vessels out of the water. The design will boast minimal labour by incorporating an automated system to assist users with launching and removing their boat from the water. The design introduces a radical interface allowing customers to easily request docking of their boat via a smartphone application. Stakeholders can be split into 2 main categories. Primary stakeholders will have a direct influence upon Falmouth Harbour's redevelopment, while secondary stakeholder involvement will mainly be in how the redevelopment is conducted and its content.
3 of the primary stakeholders are AMP Falmouth, Pendennis Super Yachts and Falmouth Harbour Commission. AMP Falmouth require more dock space and ability to accept larger vessels, better and increased storage for ammonium nitrate and a smooth running port with easy access. Pendennis Super Yachts require adequate facilities for building and repair, easy access to site by land and sea at all tide states, and provision for undercover dry docking at all tide states. Falmouth Harbour Commission requires a smooth, efficient port which is easy to control shipping and port operations. Adequate car parking provision in the port, marina for visiting yachts, and dredging for better access to the harbour and movement within the harbour is also required. Other stakeholders include local businesses, environmental groups, local councils, and government agencies. A simplified cost and time output has been broken down into the main areas of interest. The Western Quay leisure is of key interest to many of the stakeholders. The total cost of this area is £6 million and will take 1 year to construct. The Queen's and Northern Wharf area will cost £22 million and has a total build time of 19 months. The Eastern Commercial area is where most of the extensive trade-related renovations will take place, including new renewable facilities. This will cost in the region of £76 million and will take 2 years to implement. The marine facilities will cost £14 million with a build time of 1 year. And finally, the new transport links, road and a new train station will cost £5 million and will be constructed coinciding with other elements. These prices include value-added tax and EME's fee. Moving on to health and safety. We will use an effective and robust risk management system to implement our vision in a method using Print2. We will identify, assess, plan, implement and communicate a comprehensive risk strategy to both mitigate risks and exploit the potential uncertainties. A flexible, agile approach will be adopted throughout the life cycle of the project. EME's key selling points for the redevelopment lie in the close relationship with the stakeholders. EME believe that stakeholder engagement is imperative. Increased provision for berthing, updated and modernised facilities, lean port operations and leisure facilities are just a few examples of the exciting proposal EME has put forward. We are a fresh, dynamic and flexible company who has a clear vision for meeting the needs of the current users, maximising the opportunities for new markets and business in the Port of Falmouth. Our innovation brings new, high quality and sustainable solutions to complex problems. We have the passion, expertise and drive to deliver where it matters, listening and adapting to the needs of our stakeholders, converting their requirements into final delivery. We are Eco-Marine Engineering. Thank you for